In this video we will see how you can generate videos from images. So first you need to go to Chrome and type Veo 3. Now head over to the first link which comes up. Now you can see that there is a URL labs.google. You need to click new project after signing in. Let me close this pop-up. Now here you have an option. So first you need to select video here, and then you need to select frames. Now from here you can upload image. So I will upload an image saved in my computer. Now in the preview you could see after some time that the image will load. Let's wait for it to complete. Now I will add it to prompt. Now I will type the prompt. So let's make the animation wave hands in the air. So I've typed in the prompt and now hit enter. Now here you can see that the video is generated. Now I will click on this video and you can play this video to see. You could see that Veo has nicely generated a video from an image. Now in order to save the video you have to right click and hit save video as, and then just click on save. Your video will be saved. Thank you for watching this video.